Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan, where I simplify life and business and help you become your higher and best self. You know that the thoughts of appreciation, joy, love, gratitude can create 1,300 hormones, new hormones in you that can help your immune system get stronger. But also thoughts of fear, doubt, worry, that only lasts maybe 60 to 90 seconds can create 1,200 hormones that will cause stress inside you, those stress hormones. And they only last 60 to 90 seconds. The key here is that you get to choose your thoughts. And we only have 5 emotions. And we know one of them is fear. So when we fear things, when we fear our future, when it's uncertain, guess what happens? We've just created 1,200 stress hormones. And then our body goes into stress mode, survival mode. And if we're in survival mode, we're not moving forward. We're actually standing still and maybe moving backwards. The key that you need to realize is that if you feel fear, oftentimes it's not even real. It's something we've made up in our minds. And we're not creating stress hormones for our body to run, flight or fright, right? We're stressing ourselves out with fear, something that's not real, and our body is reacting the same way it would if a bear was chasing us, but it's not true. So we're stressing ourselves out because we don't know what our future looks like, and so because we don't know what it looks like and we can't picture it, we have fear, and because we have fear, we create all these stress hormones, and our body goes into shutdown mode, survival mode. So that's what's going on in you and most everybody right now. That's what's happening because we're not tapping into the future. We're not tapping into our potential. We're not tapping into what's coming, what could come. What we're doing is we're reflecting on what we know, what's happened in the past. You know, what's happened in the past when we've had a virus of this kind. You know, how have we reacted? How has it gone? And then we're just replaying that. Well, it doesn't have to be that way. Like I just said at the beginning, you could create 1,300 new hormones in your body just by having thoughts of love, appreciation, gratitude, things that you want, things that matter to you, things that make you feel good. You can have those types of hormones running around in your body, those chemicals. You could have those impacting your day, your life in a positive way instead of the other ones. It's a choice. You know, that's why I'm talking about this. You have to make the choice. Which ones do you want? What are you going to wake up thinking about today? What do you have to look forward to today? What's going to make you feel good today? Think about those things. Think about the family you have. The things you have, you know, the house, the car, the money, whatever you have right now, if you start appreciating that, guess what? You have just injected yourself with some positive stress hormones instead of letting fear creep in because you don't know what's coming and because media is telling you what's coming. Unfortunately, media is not a reliable source. So you get to choose. Which do you want? Stress or love and faith? You know, there's either faith or fear. You get to choose. Active-based faith is when you think about things that you want and you focus your attention on that. You write them down and speak them out. Active-based faith is way different than letting fear creep in and letting your life go wherever that's going to take you. And there's a lot of that going on right now. And you can get control over that. All right? So do your best to cure mental blindness disease by thinking differently and doing different things today. And if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, hop over there and check out the other videos. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.